Okay, this is Mr. Orange, the surprise egg. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Mr. Orange has 2 big eyes, a big smile. Now let's see what's inside. Here's a yellow puzzle piece, a blue puzzle piece, a purple puzzle piece, green, and orange. This is the color yellow. Let's find something that's yellow. This puzzle piece is yellow. This is the color purple. Let's find the purple puzzle piece. This is the color purple. This is the color orange. Let's find the orange puzzle piece. Here's the orange puzzle piece. Here's the color blue. And the blue puzzle piece. Our last color is green. This is our green puzzle piece. These are the colors that our egg had inside. See if you can find these colors at home with your parents. And try having something fun with your Play-Doh. Goodbye.